Generate a quick wireframe using UX Pilot. Open Figma Design. Go to Plugin, find UX Pilot. Upon logging in, you can use it in Figma or directly on the dashboard. Select Wireframe. Receive 90 credits when you log in for the first time. Select wireframes/hifi as the use case. Also select screen type. Enter a brief description of your project in the input field. Here is a result. Besides that, you can generate more screens with visually appealing color palettes, gradients, and shades in seconds. I hope you can accomplish much more in your design process in less time.